Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. My name is Dan. Let me get myself out the way. So, how much will 100 DESO be worth in 2025? Don't miss out. So, as I've said before, this is the video I wanted to make today, and it's about DESO. Obviously, the labs update is out as well today. My computer is so bad though that I'm probably gonna have to edit this video as I can't go through the website without it lagging. It's like, it's powered by Steam. I'm sure my laptop is like oil based or something. Um, so I apologize for that, and I'll fix this as soon as I'm able. Let's get straight into the video. So we look at DESO's website now. The social layer of crypto has arrived. So DESO is the first layer one blockchain built from the ground up to decentralize social media and scale storage heavy apps to billions of users. Read the vision, but we'll go through the site now. So here you've got backed by proven investors. There's a few bits and pieces in there that you can take a look at if you wish to. The first blockchain that can disrupt social media. So what does that mean? It means the only blockchain that can power storage-heavy applications. Social applications generate a lot of data, and existing blockchains are not equipped to store and index that data. DESO unlocks the next frontier for blockchain infrastructure, and DESO was built from the ground up to scale one of the biggest untapped markets for blockchain social media. 100% open source and 100% on-chain permissionless data. 100% of all code and data are completely open. All posts and social graph on DESO are stored directly on chain. Go beyond DeFi with DESO. DESO is the only blockchain that can power storage-heavy infinite state applications by combining financial primitives with cheap content storage. So DeFi blockchains are finite state. So finite state apps like DeFi use blockchains that can only power storage-light finite state applications where data and storage stay constant with each transaction. With this approach for social, every interaction, post, like, follow, etc. would cost you 15 cents plus. The DESO blockchain is infinite state. So infinite state applications generate new data with every transaction that has to be stored and indexed. For example, social apps generate data with every post, like, follow, etc. And DESO is the only blockchain that can power next-gen applications like this. So we'll look at comparing the cost of storing 200 characters, which is less than a tweet. So at DESO, it's 0.000017. Cardano, ADA is 15 cents, Avalanche at 19 cents, Solana at 17 cents, Polygon at 45 cents, and Ethereum at $78.75. So that's an interesting comparison, I think. Content stored directly on the DESO blockchain, so all profiles, all posts, threads, and comments, all private messages between users, all likes and follows, all social token activity, all social tipping activity, all NFT minting and auction activity, all token activity, on-chain order book exchange, all transfer activity, and links to all rich media, videos, and images, all verifications and endorsements, all images and videos coming soon. Currently, it's got 85 million plus transactions, 2 million wallets, a total transaction volume of 2 billion, and creator earnings so far, so paid out creator earnings, stands at $30 million. So you can imagine that to be quite lucrative, particularly if this takes shape and catches on as being like the next big thing in social media. Discover the next generation of social apps. So with DESO, you can create one profile and take your identity, content, and social graph with you across any of the apps. So it's got Diamond, which is a Web3 Twitter, where creators can and communities engage and earn. Open Fund, which is a decentralized fundraising platform, a Web3 social fundraising platform for DAOs and online communities. And DESO-Fi, which is decentralized social on a mobile, enhance the entire world of decentralized social media as a mobile app, which I think will have huge adoption if this goes well. If it does, this could literally change the face of social media. I'm really interested in this project, and we'll as we go on, we'll see some more information about that. So it's censorship resistant, which I think is quite key, because obviously you see a lot of people getting banned for voicing free speech and things like that, which obviously it's a dangerous precedent to set. So censorship resistant content is stored on the DESO blockchain, so you can own your own content like you own your Bitcoin. Decentralized identity, your profile, followers, content, and social graph carry over across hundreds of apps throughout the DESO ecosystem. Own your own content. Your content is controlled with your public and private keys, and you can use it for end-to-end encryption to prevent any middleman from seeing it. and you can monetize from day one. So start earning with new primitives like NFTs, DAOs, crypto tips, social tokens, and so much more. I think that's a great idea. So, if people who are coming to the space or coming to any kind of social media area and they're struggling and they want to try and build a bit of a presence, then you can monetize from day one. And DESO makes it possible to very easily build on chain, social networks, NFT marketplaces, DAO tooling, order book exchanges, token gated experiences, creator monetization tools, social analytics, fundraising platforms, and end to end encrypted messages, similar to like WhatsApp, for instance, NFT minting sites, international social feeds, and long form and blogging platforms. And monetize with features like social tokens, NFTs, DAOs, crypto tips, paid DMs, fee based transactions, and more. It's an exciting thing. I actually, because obviously I've got room for maybe one or two, and I said I'm going to get Casper. DESO is definitely looking like something I'm going to have to add, and I'll explain why in just a little while as well, which is really good. Stick around for the tokenomics; they're phenomenal. DESO also gives you the opportunity to run things like nodes as well, which is super important. I would definitely encourage all of you to go and check out DESO's website. Do it on a phone, maybe, or definitely don't do it on a laptop like mine. But I found this as well from DESO on Twitter. Thank you at Binance Research Team for featuring DESO in the decentralized social category in a recent report. While DESO often gets categorized as just layer one infrastructure, we've actually built far more than this. See how DESO is disrupting the entire social stack. So we'll have a look at this. At its core, DESO solves for storage. This allows for DESO to store and index content directly on chain, and we'll be extending this to all types of storage beyond just text-based content. You can think of DESO as similar to Arweave Eco plus Bitcoin, and then further down the thread, DESO also stores all social graphs and identity on chain with full monetization capabilities as well. All creators truly own their own content and social graph while being able to fully monetize it via the creator coins, NFT tokens, NFTs, tokens, and more. And then, how about messaging? Glad you asked. It says, earlier this year, we launched a breakthrough on-chain messaging protocol. DESO Chat Protocol enables fully on-chain DMs and group chats, and it enables cross-chain messaging as well as between DESO and ETH wallets. And then a bit further down, there's also a growing app ecosystem on DESO that includes crypto native and consumer focused applications like DESO Fight app, which is the mobile app, DeSocial World, social network, Use Diamond, social network, OpenFund.com, fundraising and DEX, and We Are Story, which is a mobile app. A lot of these things are going to be like a Web3 version of Instagram, Web3 version of WhatsApp, Web3 version of Twitter, Web3 version of potentially YouTube. And for developers, DESO provides out-of-the-box and open-source tools that include DESO Indexer, DESO Data Layer, and DESO API Layer that lets developers easily access DESO's fully indexed and on-chain social data with Web2 APIs. And then there's something a little bit further at the bottom that I quite like. And soon we will launch our revolutionary proof of stake consensus algorithm called Revolution Proof of Stake. Revolution Proof of Stake brings on-chain staking, yield lockups, and more to the DESO blockchain. To learn more about the DESO stack, you can catch up here. So I'd encourage, if you want to go and check this out before you make any decisions to buy or anything like that. And finally, our DESO wallet makes it incredibly simple and easy to get started without ever having to visit a centralized exchange. Don't believe us? Give it a try. Create your DESO wallet here and receive free DESO to get started. See you on chain. So this is something I have to go and do tonight. I need to go on there tonight because free DESO is great. I want some. So that'll be a great way to start the bag. I don't know how much DESO you get, but I'll let you know once I've created the wallet. So we're going to move on now and have a look at the price and price predictions, things like that. Now, as you can see, the price is currently at $8.13. What I really like about this, you know what I'm like for scarcity. I really enjoy scarcity. Quant, scarce. Trias, scarce. Bitcoin, 21 million, that's scarce as well. I don't hold Bitcoin though, but I do hold Quant and Trias. 10.5 million circulating supply of a total supply and max supply of 10.8 million. This is going to be a very scarce token. And I enjoy the scarcity. So it's something that you want to be looking into. If you can pick up 100 of these, they might be a very, very good investment. If we look at its previous all-time high, it's $198.68 back in 2021. And the chart at the minute is coming down as we expect it to, and probably down a little bit more in October, because I believe October will be bloody. I like this. I do like this. I think it's going to be something that I'm definitely going to add alongside Casper. I really like that Hello Labs as well. So I can't keep adding projects. Can't have them. But this one, Casper, definitely I think I'm going to be adding. Let's go back now, and I'll do a price prediction. So price wise, let's look at $100 as a starter, then all-time high return, and then a higher range that I think this can hit. So today, 100 DESO is going to cost you $814, probably $813 now. If it gets to $100 a coin, you take away 10k. It's a nice little profit. Wouldn't, no, not going to turn my nose up to that. If it returns to all-time high of 198.68, let's round that up to $200. You'll be walking away with 20,000. Can it go higher? Yeah, I think it can, based on its scarcity, based on the fact that if this gets mass adoption, it could be a real big player. So let's look at $500. You'd be walking away with 50k. How about $1,000 per DSO? Is that possible? That would return you 100k. Is it possible though? Well, it's got a really low supply, really small supply, which I always enjoy that, as I've said before. It's about how big this can get. Like if a lot of people currently on Twitter and things like that move over to this and start making it big and get more eyes on this could be absolutely huge. And I think, potentially for an $813 investment to potentially be getting 100k back if it goes to 1k, I'm not saying it will, but I'm sure there's going to be levels that we can take profit along the way here. I think this will be a profitable investment. Personally, I'm going to do it. I'm going to get in there and get some. Are you holders of DSO? If you are, like, definitely put that in the comments below and let me know, what you think is the most bullish parts of it. Is my price prediction a bit bearish? Is it bullish? Is it over the top? I don't know. You let me know. But I think this has got some real legs. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. Subscriber wise, like I said before, we're pushing to that 900 mark now, and hopefully a little bit further on we'll be able to get to that 1,000 mark. I do appreciate each and every one of you who has taken the time to subscribe and comment and like and view any of our videos. So like the video, subscribe if you can. And as always, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day or evening and enjoy whatever it is you're doing. Till next time, take it easy.